Hi and welcome at Know Informatics. I am Gerry and this is a user guide on the task tab in WERK. Now the first thing we're going to look at is adding tasks, and it is very easy and simple. You just go to the last task that was entered, you go down with the arrow, it opens up for you a new line. You can start populating it by the drop down. You choose a company, you go to your task and enter whatever you want to do. You can choose who's it assigned to and the status, and then by just going down with the arrow it enters it and it is in your tasks there. Then a very nice feature in the task while we're there is you can sort it by just selecting a title. For example, if you go to assign to, select it, and then all the resources are together. And that's it for adding tasks. Okay, secondly, we're going to look at the filters that are available in the taskbar, and you'll find them here. And it is very nice. If you go, it is by default on active. If you go to another one like all and you just hover over your task, you'll see that now it populates it. All includes, of course, where you've got something scheduled or waiting for customer, and that is so easy as that. You can go to a client, a specific client, and say I want to see what's here in for Bratham. Let's go to assign to and say I want this guy, Sterling Mosh, and then I've got all of his things together. And then lastly, just a note, usually by default it is all, but you can sometimes they're re-incurring tasks and you can hide them to not allow them to clock your task bar. But you can also just select those who are recurring if you want to look at that. And that is more or less the filters available in task. Thirdly, you can also fetch all the completed tasks that is in your task that is now not there. You can go to a date. Let's just take 1 September. You refresh, and then it will populate with all the completed ones. If we go to status, you'll see there now you've got everything in one place. Lastly, we're going to look at some other great features of the taskbar. Firstly, usually by default the mode is edit, so that you can do all the stuff you want to do, but you can go to select, and then via your shift key or your control key you can choose a whichever you want, and you can copy that to your clipboard, and then you can paste that information into any format like a notepad. And then also you can download all the information to an Excel file. Just remember, the way that you filter it will display in your Excel file, but you can download that. It will ask you to confirm, and there you are. And that is how to download. You can also add a note to any of the tasks, like this one already. Then it will show you at the bottom, but it's as easy as just type add a note, and you put it down, and okay, and if you go there, your info is now there. And furthermore, you can, for any task, upload a document. Like here you'll see is a document already. You can say show the files, and it will show you what document is there. If there is different versions, if you've changed it quite a few times, the last one will be here, but you can ask to show all the version, and then it will show you what you've uploaded in the past. To upload a file is as easy as go to a task, tell it to upload, it will open your browser. You can just say that one please, and it will upload that file to your task. And you can also download it again. And that is it for the tasks in WERK. Thanks and blessings. Thank you for watching, and please feel free to contact us. Know informatics, because it is good to know.